Here in this question, we are seeing a critical path and then slack time. So A is the starting point. Task A is here, and then it takes 1 week. And we see task B, and it takes 1 week. And then task C takes 4 weeks. And then we have task E here. Takes 2 weeks. And then task F, 2 weeks. And then now we want to use a fold method and determine the predecessor relationship. And A precedes B and C, so these are the two. And B precedes E, C precedes F, and E precedes F. So this is the relationship. And according to fold method, we start from 0, and it takes 1 week. So the earliest time you can finish task A is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Then the next one is B. The earliest time you can start work on B is after A is done. So week 1. And then 1 plus 1 is 2 over here. And then we have E. So the earliest time to start is 2. And then 2 plus 2 is 4. Now, before doing F, because 2 arrows are coming in, I'm going to go to C. The earliest time start work on C is at week 1 after A is done. And then the earliest time you can get it done, if it takes only 4 weeks, then it's going to be week 5. And now, at week F, task F, between 4 and 5, you have to choose, and you know you cannot start to work on F unless both the C and E are done. So week 5 is the earliest time you can get it done. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So we know that this project takes 7 weeks at least, right? That's what we can tell. Now to find out the slack, we need to work on the backward method. And when you are looking at the backward method, you want to choose the longest time that it works. And then the latest time you can finish is 7. And 7 minus 2 is 5. So the latest start time that you can start this work is at week 5. And 5 goes to either E and C. So let's go for E first. So latest time you can finish task is at week 5, and then it takes 2 weeks to get it done. The latest time you can start is week 3 over here. And then 3 goes over here. The latest time you can finish B is at week 3. And the latest time you can start is week 2. A, I'm going to relay because these 2 arrows are coming in. Now F to C, F, the latest time you can finish this work is at week 5. It takes 4 weeks. So the latest time you can start is week 1. And between 1 and 2, so the latest time you can finish this work of A is at week 1, because you need to get it started at week 1 for task C. So between 2 and 1, you have to choose the minimum, and that's 1, and this is 0. So then now you can say that the slack equals late finish time, early finish, right? So then 1 minus 1 equals 0. And this one is 3 minus 2 equals 0. This one, 5 minus 5 equals 0. This is 5 minus 4 equals 1. this is 7 minus 7 equals 0. So we can say that the longest time with the slack is 0 is your, I'm sorry, 3 minus 2 is 1. This is your slack time, and the critical path would be the path with no slack. So this is your slack or critical path ACF, and then the slack time equals 0. That's how you are going to solve this question.